All right, gang. Unfortunately, we got rained out. I got a little frustrated with that front tail backside shove it. I stuck a couple, wasn't satisfied with the roll away. I'm not going to show all the anger, but I definitely get extra angry when it starts raining when it's not supposed to. Fortunately, I've got this garage. We're going to go in here and got this slapstick and this rat trap thing, and maybe skate for about 45 minutes, just get a little extra skating in. This is my tripod. All right, I'm kind of resigned to the fact that I need more room to do this successfully. I'm coming very, very, very close to rolling away. And I've stuck a bunch, but you know, I'm just gonna wait until it stops raining. The key to this is when you get on the board. So I'm regular, it's like as soon as I get on, I'm actually leaning this way, winding my arms up, making sure you're straight on the middle of it. And then you wind, you're really kind of looking at that back foot too. And then pop, 360 shove, 180 body varial.